everyone, welcome back to the class of physics by the Vijay sir. Easy way to remember the formulas. In this video, we discussing about the linear and rotational motion of formulas. Right? Displacement, linear displacement x, velocity v, acceleration a, mass m, force F is equal to ma, work W. Again, kinetic energy of ma square, potential energy mgh, and power P is equal Fv. Linear momentum small p is equal to m into v. Now, how to remember we know these are very known formulas. How to remember the angular formulas? Same, x replaced with theta. X means linear displacement, v replaced with omega, a replaced with alpha, m replaced with I, moment of inertia, f replaced with tau, right? Again, angular momentum, p replaced with l, right? Once again, x replaced with t, v replaced with omega, a replaced with alpha, m replaced with I, and f replaced with theta. Angular displacement x, linear displacement x, angular displacement theta, angular velocity omega, d theta by dt, angular acceleration alpha, d omega by dt, moment of inertia for mass equal to moment of inertia, right? Torque or force equal to torque, f replaced with t. Here f is equal to ma because m means moment of inertia, a means alpha. Now torque is equal to I into alpha. Work f into ds, f means tau into d, s means displacement because theta. Kinetic energy of m means I, v means omega square. Power f into v, f means tau, now v means omega. Angular momentum, p replaced with l, m means I, omega. These are the formulas, linear and angular. Kinematic equations of linear motion, kinematic equation of rotational motion. To derive the relations, v is equal to u plus at. Here initial velocity is equal to u, final velocity v, acceleration a. Okay, acceleration, the rate of change of velocity is called acceleration, right? According to this equation, we can write dv is equal to a into dt. We are discussing kinematics, linear motion. If one body moving linear motion, initial velocity is equal to initial velocity u, final velocity v, acceleration a, right? Time initial t is equal to 0, final time is equal small t. Okay, integrating this equation, dv is equal to a dt, integral dv is equal to integral a dt. Applying limits, now velocity, initial velocity is equal u, final velocity v, dv is equal, initial time is equal t is equal 0, final time small t, a dt, right? Now this equation, dv integrated v, initial velocity u, final velocity v is equal a into t, 0 to t. Now applying the limits, upper limit and lower limits, v minus u is equal a into t minus 0. Now v is equal to u is equal u minus v is v minus u a into t. Now v is equal to u plus at. It is a linear first kinematic equations of rotational motion. To derive the relation omega is equal to omega naught plus alpha t, initial velocity of rotating rigid body is equal to omega naught final velocity omega. Angular acceleration alpha, the rate of change of angular velocity is called angular acceleration. The rate of change of angular velocity is called angular acceleration. Now one rigid body rotating this like, now it is a angular velocity, initial velocity, it is angular final velocity, time period capital T is equal to 0, here time is equal small t. Now integrating, alpha is equal dw by dt, dw is equal alpha into dt. Integrating dw, initial velocity omega naught, final velocity omega is equal alpha, initial time period is equal to t, final time period is initial time period is equal to 0, final time period is equal to t, right? dt. Applying limits, w omega naught, omega is equal to alpha into t is equal to 0 to small t, sorry it is capital T. Now we can write omega minus omega naught, omega minus omega naught is equal alpha t, omega is equal to omega naught plus alpha t. This is equation. To derive the relation s is equal to ut plus of at square, and here linear displacement s, linear velocity v is equal to dx by dt. Simplify this equation, dx is equal v into dt, right? Above the derivation, v is equal to u plus at. This v is equal to u plus at, substituting in v position, dx is equal to u plus at into dt. Integrating both sides, integral dx is equal integral u plus at into dt. Integration limits 0 to s and time limits 0 to t. Initial time is equal to 0, final time t. Now u plus at into dt, substituting this equation, substituting these limits, x 0 to s is equal to u integral dt 0 to t plus integral 0 to t at dt, right? S minus 0 is equal to integral dx is equal to x, integral x dx is equal to x square by 2. These are two formulas. Now u t plus t into dt of at square. Now s is equal to ut plus of at square. This is linear displacement formula. Linear displacement formula. Angular velocity omega is equal dt by dt. Angular velocity is equal d theta by dt. D theta is equal omega into dt. Now d theta is equal omega into dt. Applying limits. Now d theta, integral d theta is equal integral omega into dt. Displacement 0 to theta, and time period 0 to small t. Now theta is equal 0 to theta. Here omega is equal, according to last derivation, omega is equal omega naught plus at. Substituting this equation, now omega naught plus at into dt. Now integral 0 to t omega naught dt plus integral a t into dt. Now omega naught t plus of at square, theta minus 0. Now theta is equal omega naught t plus of at square. It is the another relation. To derive the relation v square minus u square is equal to as, linear acceleration a is equal dv by dt. Now a is equal dv by dt. This multiplying dx and dividing also dx. Now this change arrangements dv by dx into dx by dt. Dx by dt velocity a is equal dv by dx into v. Dx send this side. Now dv into v is equal a into dx. Integrating both sides. Now v into dv is equal integral a dx. Initial velocity u, final velocity v, initial displacement 0, final displacement s. Now v squared by 2 limits u v is equal a x 0 to s. Now half into v square minus u square is equal a s. V square minus u square is equal to as. This is the formula. The same way, angular acceleration alpha is equal d omega by dt. Now alpha is equal d omega by dt. Multiply and divide with theta, angular displacement. This equation rearrangementing d omega by dt into d theta by d omega by d theta by dt. D theta by dt is angular velocity. Alpha is equal d omega by dt into omega. Now d omega is equal alpha into d theta. Integrating both sides. Now omega d omega is equal integral alpha into d theta. Initial velocity omega naught, final velocity omega, initial displacement theta is equal to 0, final displacement theta, initial displacement 0. Now omega square half into omega naught to omega alpha into theta into 0 to theta. Now half into omega square minus omega naught square is equal alpha into theta omega square minus omega naught square is equal 2 into alpha theta omega square minus omega naught square 2 alpha theta. Finally, linear kinematic equations. V is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus of at square, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Rotational kinematic equations. Omega is equal to omega naught plus at, theta is equal to omega t plus of alpha t square, omega square minus omega naught square is equal to alpha theta. These are kinematic, linear kinematic equation and rotational kinematic equation.